So I'm in Puerto Vallarta right now, and I thought this would be a great time to come on here and talk about what it really takes to build a profitable high ticket coaching program. Because you see, a lot of people have it backwards when it comes to actually growing a business and what's actually required. The media portrays that it's as simple as you build it once, you put some systems in play, and then the whole thing works like clockwork, and then you get to go vacation and you're good, and then you retire, right? But like, I'll be honest with you, that's not the case. I've personally been in the online coaching space, online marketing space for roughly 7 years now, and that's how my first three businesses failed, was because I built them so that they could be systematized and I could go travel the world and do what I wanted. And it'll make you some good money when you go that route, but the harsh reality is, like, when you're building a business, it actually takes a lot of work. And that's what I really want to talk to you about on this video today. Is like, the reality of running a business is you're doing something that 99% of people in this world won't and can't do. And it requires a lot of sacrifice. And even at the point where we're at in my business right now, it's like I'm still on this vacation, which something for me is like, I never really vacation, just because, like, I like to work, I like to do what I do, but I'm still hopping on, team calls, monitoring my team, talking to my team. And yeah, we're still profiting thousands of dollars as I'm traveling, but it's not as easy as just pressing a button and then setting and forgetting, right? Like, because I think that's really where a lot of these gurus online kind of lie to you about, right? They make it sound like it's a lot more simple than it is. And I'm here to tell you, is like, you can achieve anything you want. You can make the big bucks. You can travel the world and go wherever you want. But the harsh reality is it requires a lot of sacrifice and a lot of work. And I mean, take it for example like this. I personally love shooting content. I love what I do. So that's why I do this stuff, right? Like, I'm on vacation right now, but I am shooting content because it's part of my job. It's part of my responsibility. It's part of what I do. And I think it really comes down to just really loving what you do. Because if you love what you do, you're going to wake up each day and you're going to want to do it. And for me, my first 7 figures I made online, I was actually running a ads agency for chiropractors. And for me, I did not love what I did. So I tried to systematize it. I tried to get out of it as much as I could and then hire people to replace myself. And I didn't really care about it, right? Like, it was just paychecks being collected. And that was cool because it let me travel the world and do what I wanted to do and figure out where I'm at today. But at the end of the day, if you're not passionate about what you do, you're never going to succeed. Because the real reason behind this is there's a lot of ups and downs, right? Like, the ups are really fucking awesome. But the downs suck. And that's what I want to challenge you on as you grow your business, is not to base your success on the ups, the highs, right? But base it on, like, your lowest points. And think about it like a chart. Like, you're going up, you're high, lower low, higher high, lower low. Instead of facing it on the chart, on the higher highs, face it on the lower lows. And when you do that, you'll be able to set proper expectations with yourself and what it actually takes to grow a business. Because here's the other truth that a lot of people don't talk about is, when you have your biggest month, your mind wants you to have another big month and another big month. And if you don't continue to do that each month, then you get frustrated, right? Like, that's how humans are wired. And same with my business. Like, we had 3 record months back to back to back. And I lowered my expectation, like, this isn't going to continue happening. And then after the 3 months, we've had 3 lower months, right? But, we're building everything to be on track to have higher months. And that's really what you got to think about when it comes to growing your business, is instead of focusing on the highs, focus on the lows, because that's what's ultimately going to grow your business and get you developed as a CEO. So hopefully this video was helpful. If you found any value in it, you know the drill. Leave a like, subscribe, comment your biggest takeaway, and I'll see you in the next one.